Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about keeping your valuables sparkling clean, the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, model CD2800. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Magnasonic CD2800? This is an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner designed to give your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and other small items a professional-grade clean right from the comfort of your home. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, this machine creates millions of microscopic bubbles that gently yet effectively cleanse even the most stubborn grime and blemishes. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First off, the ultrasonic energy wave operates at an impressive 42,000 cycles per second. This powerful cleaning action means that in just a few moments, you can restore the brilliance to your favorite pieces. The CD2800 is designed for simplicity. It has a straightforward operation that consists of a 3-minute cleaning cycle and an automatic shut-off feature. All you have to do is press the on button, and the machine handles the rest. Plus, it operates quietly, so you won't be disturbed while it works its magic. Another feature that sets the Magnasonic apart is its generous 20 ounces, 600 milliliters stainless steel cleaning tank. This means you can fit both small and larger items comfortably, ensuring they're fully submerged for a thorough cleanse. While the device works effectively with just tap water, adding a few drops of detergent can enhance the cleaning process, especially for tougher stains. Now, who is this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner suitable for? The CD2800 is perfect for anyone who values cleanliness and wants to maintain their accessories. Whether you're a jewelry enthusiast or simply someone who likes to keep their eyeglasses and watches in pristine condition, this cleaner is an excellent addition to your routine. It's also ideal for commercial use, such as in salons, jewelry shops, or optical stores, where maintaining a professional appearance is key. Let's delve into some practical use cases. Imagine you just came back from a night out, and your favorite ring has collected oils and dirt. Instead of spending time scrubbing it by hand, you can simply place it in the Magnasonic cleaner, add some water, and let the machine do the work. In 3 minutes, it'll be sparkling like new. Or consider those eyeglasses that always seem to get smudged and dirty. Rather than using a cloth and some spray, you can quickly pop them into the cleaner for a comprehensive clean. The same goes for watches, coins, and even small tools. Whether you're a hobbyist who works on intricate parts or someone who wants to keep their household items in top shape, this cleaner can handle it all with ease. In summary, the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution that offers professional results at home. Its ease of use, effective cleaning capabilities, and generous tank size make it suitable for a wide range of items and users. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.